Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore file organization using Dropbox Smart Sync, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring file organization using Dropbox Smart Sync, first, make sure you have the Dropbox application installed on your computer. Open the Dropbox app and sign in to your account. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the Files section. You will see a list of all your files and folders. Each folder may have a small icon next to it that indicates its sync status. If you're looking to restore organization, identify the folders that appear to be unsynced or have a cloud icon. Right-click on any folder you'd like to sync with your device. From the drop-down menu, select Smart Sync. Choose Local to download the folder onto your device for easy access. If you want to free up space, select Online Only to keep it in the cloud while removing local access. Repeat this process for all folders that require organization. To navigate through your files more efficiently, consider creating subfolders based on themes or projects. You can drag and drop files between folders to further streamline your organization. Use the search bar at the top to quickly locate specific files if needed. After organizing your files, review your folder structure to ensure everything is in the desired location. Finally, ensure that any changes made sync properly with Dropbox by looking for the sync status indicators. By following these steps, you can easily restore and maintain a well-organized file structure using Dropbox Smart Sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.